Okay, so welcome to the channel, everybody. Here we are now. It's Ray and Sue's travel channel, and lovely Susie is with me, and we're just about to start our next adventure, which is Celebrity Xcel on a 7-day cruise around the Caribbean. So in today's video, we're going to be sharing with you our onboarding and also getting on board the ship and checking out our stateroom and our departure later on in the day. So stay tuned. So we've just gone through the security part of our onboarding, which of course you can't film, and here we are after our little check-in process, and we're at Terminal 25 today, and it's a lovely terminal capable of handling a lot more people than there is in there at the moment. But here's the little Celebrity Cruises terminal, Terminal 25. And we're about to get on the lovely Celebrity Xcel for our 7-day cruise around the Caribbean. So, here in the terminal, there's some nice refreshing drinks over on this left-hand side. A couple of our friends that are here. And we're going to go up the wonderful walk, which is our onboarding. Stay tuned. So that's our check-in. And we're going to take that wonderful walk up the access gangway and get on the lovely Celebrity Xcel. So just to let you know that this is the start of the entire playlist for Celebrity Xcel, and we'll be covering Puerto Plata, St Thomas, St Maerten, and also doing ship tours and port tours and tips and advice as we go. So stay tuned with us as we get on board. And also just to let you know that this is an accessible cruise, so if you are in a wheelchair or if you have mobility limitations, then of course there are members of staff on standby to assist you. So as we get to the top of this last part, we'll get on board. And here we are. Here's the lovely onboarding section and here we are now, just on board on deck 4 and about to go into the ship. How about that? So there we are, into the grand foyer, just past the world class bar, and we get our first look across the grand foyer past Roron 5, which is the sushi and sashimi restaurant, and into the grand foyer. Isn't that lovely? And stay tuned to the channel, because we will be doing in-depth ship tours of the lovely Celebrity Xcel as we go through the week. So just a little sneaky peek of the foyer. So welcome back then to this next part of our onboarding video. So here we are now, it's our stateroom tour, and we have an inside stateroom on this particular itinerary, and we're on deck 12, and it's a lovely looking stateroom. If you're not too bothered about having a window or a balcony or even a suite, then this is perfect for those perhaps who do lots of cruises or maybe just want darkness in the morning. So here we go, let's go in and take a look at the room now. So the very first thing of course you see is the bed. Nice king size bed, which can split into 2 singles if you require it, and a lovely size. And if we go a little bit further on this left hand side, of course you can see a nice widescreen TV, and there's safety information usually in your room when you board. to ensure that you go through all that safety information and you do your muster, etc. You can't leave until you've done your muster check, your muster station check. So do bear that in mind. You'll continue to be called to do that. So let's go a little bit further down. Now we can see down the bottom here now a nice set of storage drawers and a nice light there in the corner. You can also see the refrigerator and a nice little desk there with a chair, and of course the half-size mirror on top of that desk. And then another thing that actually gets inquired about here on board Celebrity and Royal Caribbean ships is what about the power supply, what about the cabling, etc, etc, what can I expect? So there's this nice little box on there, and if you look inside you will be able to see a couple of different styles of electric sockets. There's a European one, so the round one that you're looking at on the left hand side is the European 220 volt, and then there are some combination sockets which are US and 2-pin plugs and also UK plugs as well. And then on to the right hand side of that you can also see a couple of USB connectors as well. So they're really quite good in terms of you being able to put your plug sockets, use those sockets and put your cables in there as well, and it just tidies up the desk a little bit. And then when you come on board, of course you will have quite a bit of information that gets left for you. There'll be a copy of Celebrity Today, which is like the daily sort of cruise compass equivalent on Celebrity, telling you all about dining and what's going on and different activities and different points of interest around the ship. And then of course, depending on your status in the Captain's Club, there'll be various other pieces of information for you. So that's really, really quite good. There are some snacks and things to savour. Some of those won't be included in your cruise price. So if you do consume them, you will have to pay for them. So if we go round to the right hand side now, you can see a lovely little leather couch. It looks a little bit like a chaise lounge. Very, very nice, very comfortable with very, very nice contrasting colour designs. A nice picture. And then we get back to the bed now. So if you can see, there are nightstands both sides of the bed, some great lighting, and also you'll find that there are USB connectors in those lights as well. So if we go past the bed now, on this right hand side of the bed you can see the telephone system where you can make contact with whomever you want, either room to room or with guest services or whatever. And then if we take a look here on the right hand side, you can also see now a nice double-sized wardrobe, and within that wardrobe as well you can also see some storage and the safe. And of course we've partially moved in, so you will see some of Sue's items in there, and some very nice bathrobes as well, and plenty of hangers. And there's also a full-size mirror on the left-hand door. So that is the wardrobe. And then if we go to the side of the wardrobe, you can see some other storage, and down below this nice little light display with the coral ornament is some more storage, and to the right of that again there is some more storage that you can see that goes all the way to the top, and then above the coral display you can see the other half of that storage. So that's the storage capacity on the ship and in this particular room. Okay, so let's go and take a look now in the bathroom for this particular style and type of stateroom. So as you get into the bathroom, straight away you can see a nice large expanded shower cubicle and glass. Gone are the days of the curtains and curtain rails, and there's plenty of room in there for you. You don't need me to tell you what that is to the left of the shower cubicle. The handrails on the side double up very, very nicely as towel rails as well. And you can also see the sink area now, with some amenities in there, of course, and some shelf units in the corner there. And that's the reflection, so it's not a double shelf unit, that's the reflection in the mirror, the rather large mirror, which is in this bathroom. And then to the left of that, you can see very, very closely now, you can see some more storage up the left hand side of the mirror in the bathroom. So what you can also see below is also some further storage, and there is actually a drawer in there with some room for other bathroom amenities that you might want to store in there safely. So there is the bathroom and the shower facility, very, very impressive on this brand new ship on Celebrity Xcel. So we hope that's been useful in terms of the bathroom. Okay, so now we're out of the bathroom, and of course you have the light switches to control the lighting within the stateroom itself, and also the air conditioning controls as well. And what's really, really important as well is muster information. Light's a bit dim here at the moment, but there's the muster information on the back of the door, which tells you your muster station, on what deck it is, and what to do in the event of 7 small blasts and 1 long blast, which is the signal to assemble at your muster station. And then it gives you information about the easiest, most effective way to get to your muster station. There's obviously a keyhole viewer in the door as well, and also the deep sleep magnetic labelling, so if you don't want to be disturbed, then of course you can put that outside your door and you'll not be disturbed. Okay, so that is the door. Okay, so we hope that has helped, and of course Susie is with me, and we hope you've enjoyed this overview of the stateroom. We hope you found that useful in terms of informing you of the various utilities and facilities that are available to you, even in the first level stateroom, which is the inside stateroom. So we hope you found that useful. And of course we're on the beautiful Celebrity Xcel, which is a brand new ship in the Celebrity fleet. Her sisters are Ascent and Apex and Beyond, and it's an absolutely fantastic ship. And whilst we're here on board during this week, we're going to be doing some ship tours and port tours and offering up tips and advice. So if that is the sort of content that you're interested in, do please consider subscribing to the channel, because it's completely free, you know. There's not a single charge, and there's not a lot free these days, is there? So I thought I would mention what we're going to be doing in terms of this itinerary. We're also going to be going to St Maerten, where we're going to be spending the day in and around the town and on Great Bay Beach. And then our other stop is St Thomas. And on St Thomas we are going to be going to St John. So we're going to be going out on a little DIY exploration, and we're going to get the ferry across from Charlotte Amalie over to St John, over to Cruise Bay, and explore beautiful St John's. So stick with us for this itinerary, for ship tours and port tours and tips and advice, and of course the information that you need to be able to decide whether you would like to book the lovely Celebrity Xcel. And also, before the pool gets too busy today, I just thought I would give you an overview of the pool deck and the wonderful amenities that are there. Of course, there is a nice long pool and a few hot tubs and nice umbrellas around the groups of loungers that surround the pool. And down here on this left hand side there's a nice little seating area, and of course the wonderful, stunning art piece, which is a monkey with its child, and we are joined by Norwegian Aqua. So Norwegian Aqua is of course part of the Norwegian Cruise Lines fleet, and it's always nice to be able to showcase those ships whilst they're here adjacent to us in the ports, and I like to do that. So take a little look at Norwegian Aqua and the amenities that she has on her, if that's something that you are interested in. So there's Norwegian Aqua, and of course we're on deck 15 here on the lovely Celebrity Xcel, and there is the bar up here, the mast bar. And as we just do a pan shot around this deck, you can see that there is the walking running track as well. And if we look over the side, you can see Magic Carpet, which is a wonderful bar that hangs over the edge of the ship and goes up, and also doubles up as a tender station when we are at tender in a port. So we hope you've enjoyed today's video, and if you'd like to see more, then check out our channel, Ray and Sue's Travel Channel, where you'll find a multitude of different videos covering ship tours, port tours, and offering up tips and advice. You'll also find individual playlists where you can centre in on a specific ship or a specific itinerary. And consider liking and subscribing to Ray and Sue's Travel Channel. It's free, and there's not a lot free these days, is there? Thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.